Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your location on the Mobile Legends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mobile Legends game on your device, and once it is opened up and fully loaded, you will be taken into the main menu. From this page, just click on your profile icon at the top left corner, which will take you into your profile page. Now, if you wish to change your location, simply tap on your current location, which is located alongside the question mark underneath your username. Once you click on it, you will be allowed to choose your location and region. From the available regions, simply tap on whichever location you want to set, and your location will immediately be changed once you confirm and tap on OK. However, you will be told that the next time you will have to wait for another 3 months in order to change your location. After confirming your choice, your location will be changed immediately. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your location on the Mobile Legends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.